guys, it's Fancy Fridays with me, Fancy Nancy, and today I want to talk about how it is important to always welcome a new neighbor into the neighborhood. So I know some people think about like giving a gift basket or taking over cookies or maybe a bottle of wine, but maybe you're not sure if they drink or those kind of things. So I just have a really simple way, and it's just whatever I have or whatever I find. So it's just a cardboard box, and you can find a lot of the stuff at the dollar store, so it's fairly inexpensive. I just went to the local little popcorn area, got some fresh popcorn, and we just kind of insert that. Some nails and stuff for when they hang things. It has for pictures and for regular nails. So I put that in there. A measuring tape, because when you move in, everyone needs to measure things. Again, all from the dollar store. And then of course, you know, I have my Live Just Fancier towels that I like to share with people. So I throw those in there, and a mug, and then I just simply tie a bow onto my basket once I have everything that I want to put in here. Super simple. And I go and knock on the door and introduce myself and welcome them to the neighborhood. And this is a great way to meet your neighbors, make extra friends, and those kind of things. And then they feel like they are living just fancier. And that's Fancy Fridays for today.